took too much to get to the gear. Gear right, come forward slightly. Still in the close order. Gear right, come forward. Still, carry on. Still, carry on. Left, right, left, and you're a side pace. Move with the second to the movement. Forward! Reload! Down! Side! Forward! Reload! And open order! Advance! Guys! Finger position everywhere, looking above the bayonet, flash eliminator in line with the mouth, make sure the weapon system square direct to the front and fully vertical. Slam! Arms! Put the arms away! Shoulder! Arms! Strike the weapon system, right and wrong. Stand still, don't complain, remain disciplined. And close order, advance! Dress! Eyes! Front! Forward! Reload! We'll fix it on the mark.